In this video, you will learn how to extract text from picture in Windows 11 for free. First, open the image that contains the text you want to copy and make sure the text is clearly visible. Now, press Windows key, Shift, and T together to open the Snipping Tool text extractor. If this shortcut is available on your version of Snipping Tool, select the Text Extractor option and drag your mouse over the area containing the text. Windows will detect the text in that area. You can then select only the text you need, right-click it, and choose Copy, or simply press Ctrl-C on your keyboard. If you want to copy all the detected text at once, click Copy All Text. Now, open any app where you want to use the text. Click inside the text area and press Ctrl-V to paste it. If you cannot see the text extractor or text actions feature, your snipping tool may need an update. Open Microsoft Store, go to Library, and update Snipping Tool if an update is available. Once the app is updated, try the feature again. And that's it. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe.